3號強風信號生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至到62公里。熱帶風暴圖茲已經減弱為熱帶低氣壓。喺晚上9點，圖茲集結喺香港之西南偏南約150公里，即係北緯21.1度、東經113.5度附近。預料向西緩慢移動，橫過珠江口以南海域並繼續減弱。過去數小時，本港風力稍為減弱，但部分地區仍然吹強風。隨住圖茲繼續減弱，本地風力將會進一步緩和。天文台會喺今晚10點20分改發1號戒備信號，海有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，青洲、塔門同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時50、48同47公里。最高陣風分別超過每小時58、55同53公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that the winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. Tropical storm Taraji has weakened into a tropical depression. At 9 p.m., Taraji was estimated to be about 150 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.1 degrees north, 113.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west, slowly across the seas south of the Pearl River estuary, and continue to weaken. In the past few hours, local winds slightly weakened, but winds remain strong over parts of the territory. With the continued weakening of Taraji, local winds will moderate further. The observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, to replace the strong wind signal, number 3 at 10:20 in the evening. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Green Island, Half Moon, and Waglan Island were 50, 48, and 47 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 58, 55, and 53 km per hour respectively.